Hey guys, welcome to the download and installation video for the brand new Tutor software. Okay, now as you can see, I'm already inside of the Digital Media Center for Hear and Play. In the center, you'll see my purchases, a couple of courses I've been working with in the past, include Instant Transposer there on the top, Gospel Keys 101 in the middle, and on the bottom is my most recent purchase, the Tutor software. So we want to work with that, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Tutor software link. It's going to take me to the Tutor software page for Windows and PC systems. To download it, there's the first step. I want to click on the green button labeled download here. It's a really small file, so as you see, it's a zip file for PC, and I use WinRAR to download it. And it's downloading right there in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So it's already done. And I'm going to go ahead and double click on it to open it. As you can see, this is my WinRAR setup. So I'm going to go ahead and double click the exe file. That's the file that's going to open the program for you. Okay, or install it for you, I should say. Okay, so welcome to the Tutor install program. We're going to click next. Easy, next. If it doesn't already exist, the directory, go ahead and click yes. And we're going to click Start. Now this is going to just go ahead and install all the way until the end. I'm going to pause the video now. Now it says the installation or the Tutor has been successfully installed. I can go ahead and exit that program there. And now you're done. So now the installation portion is completed. Now all we have to do is find where the program is, open it, so we can get going. Okay, so I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to go to the lower left-hand corner of the screen here. I'm going to click the Windows icon. It's going to bring up all this fun stuff, but you're going to see recently added programs right here on the list or the column here. So all we're going to do is we're going to click Tutor, real simple, and here we are. Your program is opened and ready to use. Thanks a lot, guys. Have fun.